Hello guys, I welcome you back to the channel. This is Favour, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can get a $111 no deposit bonus. Alright, I promised you this, and this is me fulfilling my promise. I'll just go straight to the point without delaying you guys. Alright, so the first thing for you to do is go to the description menu. I'm going to be dropping a link there. If you can't find the link in the description, then I'll be dropping it in the comment section. Click on the link and it is going to take you to this page. After getting to this page, all you just have to do is to click on get the $111. All right, so after clicking on it, it is going to take you to another page. All right, and so while we are waiting for it to load, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also leave a comment below where you are watching from, so that I can keep dropping videos for your country. All right, so let's continue. Let's refresh the page, and after that, okay, now this is it. You can either sign in with your Google, Facebook, or register with email. So I'm going to be registering with my email, and let me do this very quickly so that this video don't get taken down if you see my details. Alright, so I have successfully registered. As you can see, the system detected that my country is Nigeria. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section where you are watching from, and also like this video so that YouTube can push it to as many people as possible. Alright, so all you just have to do right now is to go to their dashboard. Alright, click on go to dashboard. So after clicking on it, it's going to take you to their home page. Now this is their home page. All you just have to do is to scroll down, and you're going to see the get $111, as you can see right here. So the next thing for you to do is just to click on it. All right, after clicking on it, this is the account. As you can see, it is still showing $0. Don't panic. All right, don't panic. What you have to do is just to refresh. All right, just like I am going to do in this video. So all you just have to do is to click on this three button and click on refresh, reload the home page. And after reloading, scroll down again, scroll down. This is the account. As you can see, this is the account. Now if you move to the left, you are going to see your login ID and your password. I can't display that for you guys right now, but this is just a part of it right here. I can't display everything for you guys, but this is a part of it. All right, so all you just have to do is to go to your MetaTrader 5 right now and log in, and after logging in, you have to start trading. All right, so as many of you guys that don't know how to log in into your MetaTrader 5, let me quickly show you how you can do that. All right, so let's go to our MetaTrader 5 app, and I'll show you how you can log in. All right, so this is our MetaTrader 5. All we just have to do is to search for their broker name, which is Headway. All right, search for Headway. Okay, oh, sorry about that, Headway. All right, so this is their broker. Click on it. All right, so you have to input your login ID and password. Make sure you are selecting Headway real account here. Don't select Headway demo. This is a real account. That is what I promised you guys. I'm going to give you a real account that you can withdraw from, not a demo account. So click on Headway real. All right, so you have to go back and copy your login ID and password. After that, then you come back here and log in. So let me do this very quick, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, so I have copied my login ID and password, and this is it right here. The next thing for me to do is to click on login. After logging in, boom, this is my $111 in my account. You can trade with it and start trading with it, and after meeting with their terms and condition, you can place your withdrawal and you get your withdrawal. All right, you can trade any kind of PS, you can trade it on it. All right, so all you just have to do to make withdrawals is to trade it, meet with their terms and condition, and to get their terms and condition, just go to their website, and after getting to their website, look for their terms and condition. You find it there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.